Hello, everyone, and welcome to my quick little refresher on simplifying square roots. You will most likely have to do this at some point when solving a quadratic that can't be factored, so let's take a look at how we do that. First thing we see here is we have 5 times the square root of negative 288. So I want to simplify that square root of negative 288. Just a reminder, the square root of negative 1 is equal to the imaginary number I. So whenever I see a negative square root, what I like to do first is just get rid of the negative inside the radical and replace it with an I outside the radical. And then once I do this, I focus in on the radicand, or the number inside the radical, and I'm going to make a factor tree. So 288 is 2 times 144, which is 2 times 72, which is 2 times 36, which is 2 times 18, which is 2 times 9, which is 3 times 3. And so I get it down to its prime numbers, and then what I want to do here is anytime I see a group of 2 numbers, I'm going to circle them, and anytime I see a group of 1 number, I'm going to give it a square. So anything that's the same gets circled when there's 2, so 2, 2, and 3. But then I'm left over with 1, 2, and that gets a square. So whenever you're doing this, the things that get circles go outside of the radical and get multiplied together by anything that's already there. So we already have the 5 there, but we are going to now take a 2 from the first circle, a 2 from the second, and a 3 from the third, not forgetting about the I and the square root. And the only thing left over on the inside was the 2 that got the square. And then on the outside, you're going to multiply everything together. 5 times 2 times 2 times 3 is 60I root 2.